If you want the best food in Ubud, come here. She will make the best food here. This is her little restaurant. Small restaurant, small warung, but the best food in town.
Small restaurant.
You can get everything here. And drinks too. Soda, can I see? Oh, yeah. So you can also get a nice water.
Yeah, nice water.
And Coke.
Sprite.
Beer also.
Yeah.
So if you come to Ubud, I will show you the address here.
Yeah, thank you.
Very nice. The best food in town.
Kitchen no.
No.
No clean.
It's okay. It's a street kitchen.
Small kitchen.
And a lot of garlic here. Very good. Very good. Warung, food and drink, Ubud, Bali. This is the place to eat. And if you want to stay cheap, go to SD House over here. Very, very cheap. 300,000 per night with breakfast. You can't go wrong with this. And this is the food. Very good prices. Now it's just waiting for the food to arrive.
Because no.
Look at this.
Nasi goreng.
Very nice, very nice. And very cheap. Very cheap, very cheap.
On continue par la droite quand on va sur nos camps.
Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.
Okay.
Hey, thank you. And we live just in here.